Okay,
Yeah.
fine, fine. Let's go to Bala. Bala, unmute yourself, please. Bala, something about
Yes,
yourself,
sir.
please.
Can you hear me now? Yeah, I'm Bala Subramanian. So I'm from Tamil Nadu. Previously, I was working in some software field, and so the last 2 months, I'm just looking for some different opportunities, and and then I got a call from Sir Amit sir. So I'm very excited to looking forward this because I'm totally new. I heard some insurance based project. I worked on some insurance based project, so I have some little bit idea, but not the whole idea.
Okay, okay, fine,
So
fine.
I am very excited to looking for this opportunity.
Cool, 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 cool. Tikeshwar, please unmute yourself, please. Tikeshwar, something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Myself, Tekeshwar. I am from Odisha, and this is I am sir. I thinking about this is a bigger industry. Then I try to put myself और बहुत कुछ देना चाहता हूँ सर.
गुड यार, हिंदी में बोलो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वी आर इंडियन फर्स्ट. आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वसंत जी, स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन प्लीज.
So basically, we are already using the health policies. So I wanted to know more about the health insurance plans, and if it is possible for me to insure some more people under my name, that will be great.
Thank you, sweet, very sweet. Savaria, I to know about yourself, but just small introduction about yourself, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Samaria Wadhwani. I've been teaching guitar for last 12 years and got settled into that business. And 2.5 years back, I joined the insurance industry as a side income source. And now, due to the lockdown and coronavirus thing, the guitar thing is not working that good. It's down by 70%, and only 30% is running online. So I'm switching to health insurance as an important main source of income to take over my business in this field now.
Good,
Thank you.
good, Savaria, very good. Okay, Uday, small introduction about yourself, please.
Hi, I'm Uday. As of now, I was working as a consultant in the government. As because of coronavirus, the consultation work has stopped, and so actually I don't know much about insurance. But thing is, I was aware of all the processes of health insurance because I have used health insurance claims and these all things for my father's and other activities. So
Yeah.
somewhat I know. So I want to know more about health insurance. That's what I'm joining.
Good, Uday.
That's what I
Thanks.
want more about health insurance, and that's what I came here.
Thank you, Uday. Thank you. Okay, guys, we should all welcome Manish ji, Manish Sagar from Railway Health Insurance. He would be the person who would be taking today's product knowledge on you, basically. So he is a correct person to answer all your questions. He has a industry knowledge of more than, I think, 12 years into only this domain, health domain. He has worked with all major companies, Apollo Munich, you can name out other companies. He has, mentored himself and those verticals from ground level to different locations to very high level. So he has joined with us. So we'll start understanding today's concept that everybody is hit by COVID-19. Am I correct? So we can unmute and we can chat also in the discussion. Okay. Till that time, we are running a BOP. Manishji, I would like some words from you, Manishji.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to see people from various domains. Like I feel I'm connected to India on a small platform. Thank you, Amitji, for this opportunity. So I was hearing most of you. You are from a consultant background, insurance background. Somebody is having a passion to teach guitar. So many things I've seen. It is nice to see if I talk about industry now or the society now, everyone is talking about only health and only health. There's no other thing which is actually spoken about in the industry, because since so many years we have been observing so many things coming into our society, and end of the day hitting so many people. So people who are sufficiently covered, if I talk about sufficiently covered, is today in India, people buy health insurance just because seeing someone else, or just because someone has told to buy. They have to understand why they need to have health insurance, and what adequate sum insured they should have a health insurance. So as I said, sufficiently health insurance people have. People who don't have, they have a lot of issues. They have to buy, they have to sell something, they have to beg, they have to borrow. So many things come into the picture. As you people are connected to various parts of India, somebody is from Odisha, Bombay, Pune, Hyderabad. So you would have seen your own uh, society, what is going around. So today, if I talk about health insurance, is a primary need. It's a need. It is more than any other need in the market, any other need in our lives, which we should have it. And also, when I talk about sufficiently, people don't have sufficient health insurance, you might come across many. Sorry, I was,
Okay, continue, sir. No issues.
yeah, I was getting a call. So, as I said, sufficiently, it is about so many people around you are a part of our organization with which they are working, and they are a part of organization which they would have left due to this COVID-19. So people who think I was insured or I am insured, most of the people, if I talk about 95% of the people in the society who say I am covered from my corporate or a group insurance, they are not covered for more than 2 lakh health insurance. I will just share you a small example. Amitji, I am just sharing some example.
Sure, sure.
Then I will take ahead what health insurance. I think some of the people here know about health insurance.
Sure, sure.
So some example. So on 18th of March, I had a claim in my family. I had this health insurance, which was 11th year running. And we never thought we should have a claim, because 11 years back, I bought a health insurance of 3 lakhs for my parents. So I thought 3 lakhs is a good sum insured. Those days, 2010, the highest sum insured in the market was only 15 lakhs. So this is around 10 years back. So I bought a health insurance, and suddenly my mother, she was walking on a footpath, and just she encountered a small hole, which was, they were supposed to put a grill, a chimney on the footpath, the government's work. So it was not done, and just her foot went inside, and she fell down. Just she got up within seconds, maybe 10 seconds, she got up, and after just 10 minutes, we saw a big, huge swelling in her foot. So we rushed to a hospital. We went to a hospital. We did X-ray. So doctors showed, oh my God, this is a small broken bone. So this small broken bone was just because of an instance which happened in just 2 seconds. And you won't believe, I went to a good hospital, which is a renowned hospital, which is Apollo Hospital. And I had a health insurance. I was comfortable. Mentally, I was free, because I went with a pride. Oh, I have a health insurance. So I went to the insurance desk, uh, gave them the policy number, gave them the KYC documents, Aadhaar card, PAN card. Sir, no problem, sir. You carry on. We will update you. We have your number. So it's a privilege. I knew I had a credit card, or I had a bond which is already filled with lots and lots of lakhs of money. I don't have to worry. So all these worries went out, because I know I'm covered. So I went to the insurance, just gave the documents, went to the emergency ward where she was kept, and her wound, they were putting a plaster, a temporary plaster. And then they called me, sir, your cashless is approved. I was counting numbers. Sorry, I was counting the time, because I sell health insurance. I educate people on health insurance. I mentor people what about health insurance, how to sell, how to talk to the customer. And today I'm seeing in 44 minutes, I got a pre-authorization approval. And that's all. I was so happy. I was eager to know what was the pre-auth and what was the estimation given to the company. So required hospitalization was 1 day. Operation time was 1 hour 20 minutes. And I took one of the best rooms because again, age, senior citizen, we should be independent. Some people think we should be independent. Why we should go to a shared accommodation or a general ward? So I was actually using the product. So my friends, when you use the product, you actually know what health insurance.
That's true. That's true. So guys, Manish ji will be continuing with.
I'm sorry.
Yes,
Yeah.
network is some issue.
I was getting a call. No, I have one more Zoom meeting which is going around.
Okay.
The other. So I think there's a confusion. So when I asked them, what is the estimate? They told me 1,08,000 rupees. I was shocked. 1,08,000. I wanted to know what is this 1,08,000 rupees. So 1 day tariff of room was around 7,000 and XYZ. So many this expense, that expense, OT expense, apparatus expense. So I thought I have 3 lakh. Let me not worry. So see again, I had huge pride, so confident. इतना छाती चौड़ा करके मैं हॉस्पिटल में घूम रहा था. मेरे पास हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है, किसी के पास नहीं है. And I know people sitting outside Apollo Hospital near the temple who were praying God. There was a person who came in the same time after half an hour with a accidental case. He was supposed to give 12 lakhs for operation because somewhere some part near the stomach was cut. And that person's dad was actually calling so many people for money and only money. So I could not help. Even if I want to help the society, I cannot help. Rather than recommending, if you pay this much amount, which is approximately 800 or 1,000 rupees per month, you can be covered. So my confidence became so high. So I just wanted to give an example. It is a product which when you use it, you get lots and lots of confidence. So now when we actually tell this product to our prospect, we have to explain or we need to translate or need to educate them in such a manner so that they actually start feeling the product. Today we are selling a product which cannot be used. It is just a piece of paper. So when we actually translate or demonstrate the product in front of the person, we should actually make them understand how actually the product has to be used when it is required. So this is Amitji from my side. I just want to, because this is one of the examples.
That's really very nice. A live example by a person who is into health insurance himself. He has told how good he felt when he was utilizing the benefits which was given to him. It's a wonderful thing. We should understand that there is a very important thing in life which we understand. We never give importance to life. What we give importance to money. It's very correct. Money is very important, but believe me, if there's no life, there's no money. It's very understandable thing. You should also understand that life is not valuable. You can't value anybody's life. It's a really invaluable thing, which cannot be compensated with the money. But yes, somehow what we can do, we can just take care of these expenses, which we see. For a simple medical expenses, getting admitted to hospital, any kind of thing, it requires a lot of money. And what we end up doing, spending money, which money we have saved over years, over months, kind of a thing. We use our savings. Savings are not for these things when we have option in hand. Okay. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to run a simple, kind of a PPT here. So understand to all of you, we'll see to it. Company's background, company structure, where you are associated, all of you. Okay. Then we'll explain you product on that. Okay. So here we have a simple structure of a business opportunity with Religare. Guys, if you have any questions, please you can put in the chat box. I would really love to have these questions. Okay. Please put your question in the chat box. I would really love to have that. Okay. Now this is a business opportunity which we're going to show to all of you. First thing, I'm going to discuss a lot of things, but we read this PPT first. First thing is that open your mind to a rewarding career with Religare Health Insurance. That's why all of you people are here. Important is when you are promoting any product of the company, then you should be knowing basically the complete knowledge about the company. So it's know about your company, Religare Health Insurance. Guys, there will be a disconnection after 40 minutes. You need to log in once again. So I'm telling you in advance, this is a basic version of Zoom. So when there's a disconnection, it's a recurring, you need to log in back again the same IDs. Okay. Now, this is the three powerful entities who are backing Religare. You can see it's a Religare itself. Then you have Corporation Bank, Union Bank of India. These are three major entities who are backing this entity. Okay. Now, when we see the importance, how important our company is recognized in the industry. Okay, that's pretty much important. So we need to understand this slide very well. Now you can see there are a lot of rewards given to Religare Health Insurance. Okay. Now these are our bank insurance partner. These banks are partnered to sell Religare Health Insurance. In public sector bank, we have Union Bank, which are of entity background Corporation, Punjab National Bank. In private sector bank, we have IndusInd and RBL. In the corporate sector, we have Saraswat Bank, TGSB Sahakari Bank, and Abhyuday Cooperative Bank. These are major banks from Mumbai. Some people not be knowing the names. See, these are the distribution channels who also sell basically Religare Health Insurance. There are a lot of Religare distribution channel partners also here. These are our corporate clients with whom they are taking all the benefits from Religare industry. They are all our corporate clients. All major are IndusInd Bank. You have Zoom, Walmart, Colgate, Harley Davidson. All big names are there. This is very important. This slide is very, 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 very important. Now look at the slide and the growth of the company. Now when you see 2012-13, the profits which are shown here in figure in crores. So 38.8 crore was the profit. It went up to 152 crores in 13-14. It went up to 275.8 crores in 14-15. It went up to 503 crores in 15-16. In 16-17, 726 crores. 17-18, 1,111 crores. And 18-19, it's 1,840 crores. You can see the leap of growth year on year is there. So company has never shown a low graph. Every year from the day of inception, it's growing on continuously. And that's a very good thing to join with the company. Okay. So why is health insurance in great demand? That's again important thing. Need to understand that. Our reason first, from small to big expenses or medical insurance covers. Medical treatments like operation, procedure extra, hospital stay, medical and consumable stay, consultation, diagnostic for common elements like flu, fever extra, health maintenance. This is the first reason we should have a health insurance. Now, second reason is that the medical inflation is rising alarmingly at the 14% per annum. So it is a very higher than the regular inflation, because in our economical inflation, we have a 7.5 to 8% inflation rate, but medical inflation is rising more than that. It's 14% per annum, which is very high. We need to keep that in mind. Now, this is a treatment of serious ailment which will become soon unaffordable. Now you understand the current cost and the cost from 5, 10, 20 years from now. Now, when I say 5, 10 years or 20 years, this could happen to any young guy also. So understand the cost of hip replacement is 3 lakhs current cost. 5 years down the line, it would be 5 lakhs 77. 10 years down the line, it would be 11 lakhs something, and 20 years down the line, it would be 41 lakhs. Now, a small angioplasty is costing us right now, current price is 3,50,000. 5 years down the line, it would be 6,73,000. 10 years down the line, it would be 12 lakhs, almost 13 lakhs, and 20 years down the line, 48 lakhs. Now, coronary artery bypass is right now costing us 4,50,000. 5 years from now, 8,66,000. 10 years down the line, 16,68,000. And 20 years down the line, it is 61,000. Renal transplant is 6 lakhs. 5 years down the line, again 11,55,000. 10 years down the line is 22 lakhs. Post 10 years, my goodness. And 20 years down the line, 82 lakhs. Huge cost. Double valve replacement is 4,50,000 right now. 5 years down the line, 8,66,000. Again, 10 years, 16 lakhs. And 20 years, 61 lakhs. You can see what is happening. This is called medical inflation. These are number given by the industry itself, medical industry itself. These are number not been developed by our sides. Is a number got from medical industry. Now you have heart surgery right now for 5 lakhs. 5 years down the line, 9,62,000. 10 years, 18 lakhs, and 20 years, 68 lakhs. Liver transplant is 30 lakhs. Oh my goodness. Is current cost. And 5 years down the line is 57 lakhs. 10 years down the line is 1 crore 11 lakhs. And believe me, after 20 years down the line, it is 4 crore 12 lakhs. This is a very huge cost. Guys, this is chart you need to summarize in your mind. We will share certain details with you. This is a very unique point of selling health insurance to somebody, explaining them what could be the cost, in upcoming years in medical inflation. Moving to next slide. Okay, now reason 3 is not just concrete jungles, even life-threatening diseases are growing in India. Yes, life-threatening diseases are growing, not in India, globally. We have recently seen a COVID-19. There is no vaccine for that. There is no treatment for that. Still the cost is costing you minimum 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 20 lakhs in a private hospital. So huge cost. Believe me, we never know. Today we have Corona. Next year, what will come? Post that, what will come? We never know. But yes, now we are aware that something like Corona does exist in our global society. So we should be now aware very well we should be aware of this thing, that we should expect anything to happen in near coming future. So that is the reason we should be totally depending on health insurance. Now, lifestyle and medical expenses are like this only. You have fast life, especially people in Mumbai and metros. Okay. Yes, unhealthy food habit. Thanks to COVID, we are at home from last 3 months. So this habit has getting changed. Illness is happening at home. Believe me, nothing to do. So people are getting ill. Medical expenses are going very high. There are 2 types of medical expenses, inpatient, outpatient. Okay. So these things are leading to why you should have a health cover. Now, reason 4. Again, a very important reason, please understand very well. 1 in 3 people suffer from cancer. Again, a medical standards report, not by us. 1 in 4 people will contract heart disease before 60. 1 in 20 people will have stroke before 70. So this is a very crucial information which you should have in your tips with you when you are approaching any client or any customer for reasons. So because if you are aware with the knowledge, guys, believe me, it is a very piece of cake to sell anything. So these are your tools to understand, to keep it with you. Moving to next slide. Again, understand this slide very well. 85% of working population in India doesn't have 5 lakhs instant cash. That is absolutely true. Instant cash is not there 5 lakhs. 14% people will have 5 lakhs instantly, but will face a financial crunch. Only 1% can afford to pay 5 lakh instantly. So guys, you have 99% of India will face a crunch in a case of critical illness. I will tell you one example. One of my friend, he is basically, I do financial consulting as well. So he basically is with me. His age is 35 years of age. His wife is 29. They have a kid, a daughter, at the age of 6. Okay. He was working in Qatar. So he was basically at rigs. Rigs, you can, if you understand rigs, it's basically seashores you need to work. Okay. He was really getting very handsome salary. I believe 2.5 lakh rupees Indian currency per month, stay, food, everything free. So all of a sudden he got a call from his in-laws that his wife is being admitted to hospital. So it was a routine check. 29 years of age, guys, 29, believe me. This couple of tests were done. Then doctor told to their parents, please call her husband. They said he's abroad, basically in Qatar. So you should call. So before coming there, he had a phone call with the doctor. So doctor told there is a very different kind of a blood cancer which is found in a diagnosis to her wife. So he ran immediately. He came to India. So he went up there. So for 1 month, it was been testing only in any of the side, husband or wife side, anybody in the history is having cancer, no cancer at all. At 29 years of age, she got into a stage which was severe. Now, from last 6 months, he is doing chemo. Okay. Now the only treatment which is left to be done is called bone marrow transplant. Now, bone marrow transplant is costing us 45 lakhs. Now, believe me, he had saved almost 30-40 lakhs, which is only spent in his chemo. He is not having a health insurance. Now, he requires 45 lakhs for bone transplant, bone marrow transplant. You understand? Now, this is a crucial thing for him. So he is now regretting in such a manner that, at this young age, this has happened to him. It's a very pity, I must say. We can have only sympathy with him. But he is regretting that much that why he has not taken a health insurance. He was having health insurance from his company's side. That's it. When he was working in Qatar, that's it. He left that company, no health insurance. Personal cover he has not taken. So now you understand, people who are earning a salary of 2.5, 3 lakh rupees of monthly basis also can, destiny doesn't know. People at the age of 29 can straight away jump into a chronic stage of blood cancer, which is nowhere in the family history anywhere, but it has happened. Okay. The treatment cost of bone marrow is 45 lakhs. That too, it is up to donation. It has to get matched. It is not like that you can get a bone marrow transplant done. It's rarely matching happens. So he's living right now the pity of these things. This is something which the personal experience of mine, very near to me, I'm sharing with you. So that is the cases where we need to understand why we should have a health insurance. Next slide. Now, in terms of our side for making money through health insurance, why we have joined, that's the agenda we have joined. Health insurance market being an economy at the dip, big GDP at a very low dip, believe me, people are buying health insurance. Because we never know that how long this corona is going to stay with us. India has crossed today 4 lakh number. To your surprise, please understand that from 3 lakh to 4 lakh, it took only 8 days. In 8 days, 1 lakh cases has been added. Okay, and the amount of tests which we are not getting done in India, you can believe what could be the result of this outbreak. You understand that. This is really very, very, very serious issue in our hand to take care of ourselves first, take care of families, and ensure people that they have adequate health insurance to fight this deadly disease. Okay, and this is going to stay long with us, guys. Believe me, this is going to stay long. You are not making your living by selling health insurance. You are doing a very humanly kind, to society. Believe me. Understand that. If somebody you are giving adequate health insurance, and he, by no better chance, he met up with this kind of incident, he got infected to corona. Believe me, when he spend his money with insurance, he is going to give you blessings. That's very important part of this noble work. Understand? Okay, people remember you the time you entered and you sold them health insurance. People remember you for that thing. This was a guy who came and he sold me. Today, when they use that Whenever they use this health insurance benefits, they don't forget your name, and the blessing you get, it's immensible. You can't match it with anything. Okay. Now you can see in the slide, only 20% Indians have health insurance. So we have a lot of penetration to do. So there is no competition, guys. 20% people only having insurance, health insurance, only 20% out of 130 crores. Yeah, I just have water, please. Okay, so there's a lot of market to penetrate. If you are smart enough, you can do it very wonderfully. Next slide. Religare is standalone insurance company because we are not dependent on any third party. We don't have any third party. We do settlements on in-house only. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that thing as well. Now you see standalone health insurance growths. These are the companies who are standalone all together in India. Their growths in this number of years. You can see for all standalone, not only us. It's all standalone. Okay. So you can see the phenomenal growth from 2012 to 2019. Now, what are the factors which are fueling this growth? Rising income and literacy, rising demand for better healthcare facilities, rising healthcare costs, absolutely yes. Government initiative to reforms, correct. Irresistible products and price innovation, absolutely correct. What we are expecting you to do? A very golden question that you would be looking for. Now, this is what we are looking. Upgrade your skill, knowledge through regular trainings, visit your existing customers, introduce Religare as its products, provide your customers, close the sales, collect references. This market is only based on reference. And believe me, if one of your customer you're closing, he is definitely going to give you a reference. It is a reference-based business. Okay. Provide customer post-sale service. He will give you lots and lots of reference if your customer service is good. We have a very big problem in the country that we know how to sell, but customer service wise, our country is very poor. It's a fact. I'm not blaming to our country, but that standard we maintain. We can change this only by changing ourselves. We cannot wait that this change will happen automatically. If you change yourself, your attitude, you change, believe me, change will happen itself. So this is the way you can get it done. Okay. Now, why partner with Religare Health Insurance? Health insurance market growing rapidly. It can maximize your earning potentials like no other segment. That's sure. That's 100% sure. Now, this is something which you're going to get, which everybody, all of you should be seeing very carefully. It pays big reward growth in your business. We have slabs up to 49,999. Again, we have slab to 50,999, 1 lakh to 49,999, 150 to 199,000, 2 lakhs to 49, 250 plus. This is basically slab, which can be detailed shared later on. Okay. Not just money, glory awaits at every step. Yes, glory is there. Fine. So these are some other things, contest, which we not discuss. This is not right now not happening because of the COVID. Otherwise, there's so many beautiful contests which were supposed to happen. Now, this is again, as for simple understanding, please understand this. It's a very simple understanding. Okay, I'm going to take all questions. So guys, if you have notepad and pen, please write it down question which you want to ask me and Manishji. So please write it down. Okay. Now, please take a very close look at this. Now, when I say number of proposal in a month for a beginner 4, okay, number of proposal he does in a year is 48,000. Average premium if he collects, that is average premium which we have which we know that is 15,000. Okay, per premium. Now, average commission per proposal he is getting. We have calculated that on the basis of 15% to the 15,000. Okay, that's 2,250. Commission earned in a year is 1 lakh. Renewal commission first year is not there because it's a first year. So total commission you have earned in a 1,80,000. That's a first year proposal. Now next year you have 4. Okay. Then you have again 48. The same purpose. I have made it very clear in a very smaller manner to understand this to you. I have not given exact numbers. It's a very simple number which can be attained by a fresher also with us. Okay. After proper training of product. Okay. Now, the same thing happens, keep on happening, but you see here, renewal commission is getting added every year. So at the 5th year, you have a renewal commission coming to you 5 lakhs. Your income is, you can say 6 lakhs. So this is a base understanding of yours. Very base minimum, you can do this. It's a very base minimum, I'm telling you, okay? If you've entered to earn something, you should keep in mind, this is a base minimum, you should do it. If you are putting your hard work, your intelligence, your references, and if you're not making this much money, then something is wrong, then you have to get back to us, okay? Now, this is again, you get 15% year after year on the same policies. That's a renewal actually, okay? Now, join us, that already you have done, okay? So these are our products called Favio. Favio is for web-based application. Favio Plus is a mobile app. And this is ePower. So ePower is given to, we started giving to selective people, but soon we are giving to all of you. It's a exclusive URL in your name. So you'll be having www.religate.com/ let's say Indranil Ghoshal. So it will be like that. You can send it to somebody. He can, as in your complete URL with the company. So this is something, again, ePower, which is coming up. We have started this thing, and soon in a couple of months, it will be given to mostly to all of you. Now, these are the products. So don't get confused to see so many products. What we're going to talk here, we're going to talk here today about Care and Care Freedom, because these are the highest selling products right now, the highest competitive product right now in the market. Okay. Manish ji.
Yeah, so yeah, before we discuss about product, I would like to know from each one of us present here, basically what actually you understand about health insurance. If I will just let us have Mr. Bala Subramaniam. So what anyone can speak. I will take one by one because I would be able to tell exactly what you would like to understand. So Mr. Bala Subramaniam, can you just tell what exactly you understand? What is health insurance?
Yes,
Balaji, please.
So, yeah. Can you hear me now?
One more thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Whatever you know, please speak. Don't think what is right and what is wrong. We all are here to learn, and today's learning, tomorrow's learning, day after learning will take you to a greater heights. In my last so many years of experience, I have met so many people who were owners of jewelry shop, who were basically doing some other business. They had no connect in their life, but they are successful now. Just because they always started running whenever they failed. They always keep their momentum, keep their push on and on whenever they fail. That is the success. Yeah, Mr. Bala, can you just tell me what exactly you know about health insurance? What do you understand about health insurance?
So mostly, whatever the family or any family members got affected by any disease or some, we couldn't know. So we couldn't predict if people suffering from any disease or something like that. So we could take up some insurance. Not only health insurance, any insurance. I have already have LIC. So that would save some amount. We can have some amount at that particular point of time. So in health insurance, from the company based, they have given some health insurance for a particular period of time. So when I left the company, so there is no health insurance. So at least we should have some health insurance. The disease and the pandemic, in this pandemic situation, we should have some health insurance. I can understand this kind of insurance we should have.
Great. Thank you. Yeah, Mr. Indranil Ghoshal, can we know what you actually understand about health insurance?
Indrajit, can you unmute yourself, please? Indranil, can you unmute yourself, please?
Okay, we can just we will get back to him. I think. Okay, we have Mr. Realme. I think Mr. Vasant, someone is there on Realme.
Mr. Vasant. Mr.
Yeah,
Vasant.
Mr. Vasant. I think he is from the health insurance domain, if I understand. Mr. Vasant, can we know?
Basically, it's a securing a person from in with respect to the health. So if something goes wrong, instead of paying from personal packet, so you can get the
Okay.
benefit of health insurance with limited, I can say with limited amount, where
Correct.
you can able to fulfill it.
तो मिस्टर वसंत आप हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस डोमेन में ही हैं, यू आर फ्रॉम द सेम डोमेन?
No, I am into different domain.
Okay. Thank you.
Keshwar,
Mr.
your views on that?
Yes, sir.
Please tell.
Okay, sir. I tell in Hindi, sir.
हाँ,
I prefer
please.
to best
बोलिए
Hindi, sir.
बोलिए, अरे एकदम
हिंदी में
एकदम
बोलो यार, कुछ नहीं होता, हिंदी में बोलो.
ओके सर। आज के जमाने सर हेल्थ से नेसेसरी है सर। कोविड का जमाना में हमको जरूरत ही नेसेसरी हो गया आज के जमाने में। हर के पास हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए
नेसेसरी
सर।
हो गया, कोविड ने कर दिया, बट आप क्या समझते हैं हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस को? हम ये जानना चाहते हैं। वो तो नेसेसरी हो गया।
हाँ सर। सर मेरे हिसाब से हमारा जो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली है ना, हमारे लिए हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सर जो है ना, हमारे पास एक मतलब कुछ है सर। मान लीजिए कुछ के जो है कुछ हो गया तो हमारे पास एक पैसा फंड ऑलरेडी बॉन्ड डिपोजिट है सर।
ओके,
मैं ये सोचता हूँ सर।
ठीक है,
Okay.
गुड। उदय,
Yeah, hello.
yeah, Uday, something from you, please.
जी बोलिए।
Yeah, it's like in weapon. It's like a protection shield which we'll be keeping within us, like to save ourselves from the futuristic way. That's what my understanding is. Like it's a weapon for us to self-defense. Like
Correct.
Yeah, we are hearing
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
We are
yeah.
hearing
We
you.
audible.
like जैसा है, like अगर कुछ हो जाता है तो like जनरल इंश्योरेंस है which only helps after life. अगर इसको कुछ हो गया तो तब मिलेगा। हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि इट जिंदगी के साथ भी it will be along with the life to survive. So health insurance is more important than the general insurance. That's what my opinion
You're talking
is.
about life, and general insurance basically health only, Uday. That's you're talking about life. I can understand. No issues. Savaria, something from you, please.
So, health insurance is basically a backup plan. So, when your planning of the life and investments and earnings goes out of the track, so it's the backup plan which doesn't let you go down too much, and just a few percentage, not too much, and you can come back, bounce back, and keep continuing in your life plan.
Okay, good, Savaria. So, yeah, how old are you, Manishi?
Yeah. So thank you for the suggestions. So I'll just tell a health insurance. Let us talk about a health insurance product. We will not talk about our product. I'll definitely tell about our product. So health insurance, if I talk about, it basically contains 3 components. The first component is the wellness benefit. The second component is the IPD benefit, inpatient department, or some people talk about hospitalization. जब मैं hospital जाता हूँ तो मैं कैसे उसको use कर सकता हूँ. And the third component in a health insurance is day care. So first is wellness, second is IPD, and third is a day care component. अगर मैं बात करता हूँ what is wellness, so now I'll tell you what Religare. So in Religare health insurance, if somebody is buying a health insurance, the first thing what he gets is wellness benefit. Wellness benefit, if I talk about, it is nothing but annual health checkup. Any person, each and every person who is insured, who has bought a health insurance from us, he gets an annual health checkup on cashless basis. Every year, the person is getting health checkup on a cashless basis. So this is one of the winning factors. आपके पास एक ऐसा पार है, like someone was talking here. If I that point is still in my mind. It is like a weapon. so health checkup, which we get inbuilt in the health insurance, it's a big weapon. Today, if you see 9 out of 10 human beings, when they go to the hospital, that day when they go to the hospital, they come to know कि मेरे को ये problem था. और ये problem हुआ है. So if any person who is having a health insurance is getting his annual health checkup done, which is on cashless basis, nothing but free of cost, he gets lot of things under his control when he sees his diagnosis report. So end of the day, you are helping your customer to prevent him to get hospitalized. No one will think I want to get hospitalized. So the biggest strength is when you have a health checkup inbuilt in your product, you already have a preventive measure which will control a lot of disorders of a human being. Am I correct?
Yeah,
Everyone, am I correct? Second component is when actually I get hospitalized. Now, when will I get hospitalized? I will get hospitalized due to any illness, due to any disease, due to any sort of accident. I should be covered and I am covered. So when a person goes to a hospital, so there are two categories of people who go to the hospital. One is, there are two categories of people who know about the expenses in a hospital. One who has been to a hospital, one who has seen someone else been to the hospital. Otherwise, there are so many people whom you will be approaching in the market who has never seen the hospital. They don't want to go to the hospital. So why I'm telling you in a basic terms is when you approach people, there'll be people who have seen hospital. There will be most of the people who has never seen hospital in their life. So a person who has never seen hospital in their life, they will actually not be knowing what sort of expenses are there in the hospital. So now, if we get hospitalized, so one hospitalization bill is divided into three parts. The first part is anything and everything which is related to boarding. Second is anything and everything which is related to consultation. And third is related to treatment. So when I talk about boarding can be room boarding charges. Again, in room, I am free to choose private room, semi-private room, shared room, general ward. Operation theater, boarding charges, right? These are all the things which are part and parcel of the boarding charges. Second, consultation. So whom do we consult? We consult doctor. We are being supported by nursing staff. We are being supported by visiting doctors. We are being supported by a surgeon when he does surgery in a operation theater. We have specialists who come and see us. So all these expenses are a part of your health insurance. It is covered under health insurance. Third component is treatment. Treatment can be somebody is undergoing chemotherapy, somebody is undergoing radiotherapy, somebody is undergoing X-ray, somebody is undergoing some blood test. So all these expenses during my hospitalization stay, it is a part of health insurance. So when we see people telling my hospitalization bill was 3 lakhs, so all these put together, if you add, that creates a bill. That actually creates a bill which is 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Now, if I talk about hospitalization, it is nothing but people call it as hospitalization, people call it as IPD, inpatient department. Means when you get hospitalized for minimum duration of 24 hours, then your Mediclaim or a health insurance product can be used. Now there is a component, the third component which I was talking about is daycare. So daycare is nothing but any procedures or any treatments which are taken in a hospital which doesn't require 24 hours of hospitalization, which takes 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours. So these treatments are put under a daycare procedure or a daycare treatment list just because of technological advancement. Today, let us take an example. Somebody is diagnosed with cancer. He goes to a hospital to do chemotherapy every week or in a month, twice, in a month, thrice. So this chemotherapy is a part of daycare. Somebody undergoes radiotherapy. It is a part of daycare. Today in India, people are getting cataract surgeries in a hospital, which takes 5 to 6 hours or maybe 10 hours. It is a part of daycare treatments. If I would like to know, everyone is clear about the three components. Can you all tell me, unmute and tell me, is it clear? Anywhere you are not understood, I'll repeat once again.
Hello.
Can I have participation? Yeah, tell me. Is that clear what the component which I said?
Am I audible, sir?
Hello.
Goshalji, your voice is coming very
It's
slow.
clear, clear.
Can we
Yeah,
have
it's clear.
explanation about
sorry.
component 1?
Yeah. Sorry, you
The
want me
first
to
part
repeat?
is yeah. No, sir. What I have understood, I just the first part is wellness, and the second part is daycare, and the third part is
Daycare.
hello.
Yeah.
Second part, third part is
Inpatient. Daycare treatments, daycare procedures. Any treatment which is taken in a hospitalization which takes less than 24 hours because of technological advancements. Bala, you are clear? Mr. Vasant, is it clear?
Clear.
wellness.
केशवर आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
टिकेश्वर आपको समझ में आया?
टिकेश्वर जी?
Yes, sir.
आपको
this-
समझ में आया?
Yeah, for the second one, Mediclaim, and this one is there, right, sir? Any an unexpected incident has happened, for that only we can have a second one, right?
Yeah, it's second one means any health insurance is nothing but which is utilized in a hospital. So hospital has to be present and the person has to be present with ailment. So ailment, if I talk about hospitalization, a person will be hospitalization will be hospital for 3 reasons: due to illness, due to accident, or due to any disease. So any of the event person comes across, he gets a benefit out of insurance.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. That is the only thing.
Right.
Thank you.
Keshwar ji, are you there?
Yeah, he has written yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. आपको समझ में आया केशवर जी?
Yes, sir. Yes.
केशवर जी, कोई डाउट्स हैं तो हमें यहाँ पूछने हैं इस फोरम में. आप इस चीज की बिल्कुल परवाह मत कीजिए कि इंग्लिश या हिंदी है. जो भी लैंग्वेज हमें आती है हम उस लैंग्वेज में पूछेंगे, डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
हाँ इंद्रनील जी, टेल मी.
What I have understood is that the first part is wellness.
There is an issue with your voice. We are not able to hear clearly.
Yeah, there's a network issue at your end, I think. Your voice's modulation is up and down.
Coming us very clearly, sir.
It is coming in echo.
The network issue is there due to heavy rainfall over Calcutta right now.
Yeah.
Hello.
Audible now. It is audible now. You can continue, please.
What I have understood is that the three parts conclude. First part is wellness. Second part I could not get it right now. And the third part is daycare.
Second part, it is nothing but inpatient. Inpatient means I can only get the benefit out of insurance when I am hospitalized, right? And when I am hospitalized whenever I have some illness or I have some disease or I have some accident. So these are the only things. If I incur, I will get hospitalized and I will take the benefit out of health insurance. Is that clear?
And what is the 24 hours of hospitalization?
24 hours. Minimum hours is hospitalization should be 24 hours. Then only you get a benefit out of health insurance.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Thank you. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Uday,
So
any
now,
questions? Uday, are you getting it?
Please ask.
Uday.
And you can ask every day, but I think today is the best time to ask. कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आप 10 बार पूछिए.
Savaria. Savary, are you there?
Sir, I'm on another call. I'll get back in 2 minutes.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
I messaged you.
Okay. Yeah,
ठीक है,
Uday.
we'll continue.
Sure. Please continue.
जी. So, somebody Uday explain about component 1. Okay. Uday ji, again I will tell component 1 जो है हम उसको बोलते हैं wellness benefit. Wellness benefit is nothing but annual health checkup. आज इंडस्ट्री में देयर आर सो मेनी कंपनीज, बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं जो खाली हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बात करती है. मतलब जहाँ पे जब तक बंदा हॉस्पिटलाइज नहीं होगा तब तक प्रोडक्ट को यूज नहीं कर पाता है. आज हमारे पास ऐसा स्ट्रेंथ है, ऐसा पावर है कि आज मैंने अगर हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस खरीदा है, मैं कल से एक बेनिफिट ले सकता हूँ जो है एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप का बेनिफिट, विच इज ऑन अ कैशलेस बेसिस, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. कस्टमर अपने ऐप से हेल्थ चेकअप बुक कर सकता है, या कस्टमर हमारे टोल फ्री नंबर में फोन करके अपना हेल्थ चेकअप फिक्स कर सकता है किसी भी नियरेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर में. अगर मैं टेस्ट की बात करूं, मोस्ट ऑफ द टेस्ट आर कवर्ड. एक जनरल बंदा जब एक एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप का एक पैकेज लेता है किसी भी हॉस्पिटल से या डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर से, जो उसके बेसिक टेस्ट कवर करते हैं, जो आपका हो सकता है आपका कंप्लीट ब्लड काउंट, जो लिपिड प्रोफाइल, आपका HbA1c ग्लाइकोसिलेटेड हीमोग्लोबिन, आपका यूरिन एनालिसिस. ये कुछ मेडिकल टर्म्स है, आप भी सीखेंगे, बट अभी तक के लिए ये आपका हेल्थ चेकअप कवर्ड होता है. आज किसी ने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लिया, कल से वो प्रोडक्ट को इस्तेमाल कर सकता है by taking annual health checkup, which is on cashless, which is like a free of cost service we give it to the customer.
Okay, I understood it.
ठीक है? Okay, thank you. So अब हम बात करेंगे हमारे प्रोडक्ट सेगमेंट के बारे में. देखिए, हम जब मार्केट में किसी भी बंदे से मिलते हैं, या अपने रिलेटिव्स दोस्त से मिलते हैं, या किसी प्रोस्पेक्ट से मिलते हैं, तो हमारे पास कई तरह के लोग होते हैं. वन सेगमेंट इज जो हेल्दी लोग हैं, जिनको कोई हेल्थ इश्यू नहीं है, राइट? एक ये सेगमेंट होता है. एक दूसरा सेगमेंट होता है जहां पे बंदों को कोई डिसऑर्डर होता है. आज आप जानेंगे मार्केट में सो मेनी पीपल, जब आप मिलते हैं, बात करते हैं, दे टेल कि मेरे को शुगर है, विच इज नथिंग बट डायबिटीज. मेरे को बीपी का प्रॉब्लम है, विच इज ब्लड प्रेशर या हाइपरटेंशन. मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई है, मेरा वेट बहुत ज्यादा है, मेरे को थायराइड का इश्यू है, राइट? ये सब कुछ कॉमन सिम्टम्स है जो मार्केट में आपको मिलेंगे. 2 out of 10 पीपल या 2 out of 5 पीपल यू विल गेट, जो आपको मिलेंगे मार्केट में. So what I mean to say, there's a second segment in this country, in our country, where people are having symptoms, they have disorder, and we come across. हम ऐसे लोगों से भी मिलते हैं. तो just imagine, Religare as a company takes care of these people also. आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन होगा, मेरे को पक्का पता है आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन होगा, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस जो ठीक है उसको तो लेना चाहिए ताकि फ्यूचर सेफ्टी है, किसी को कुछ हो गया तो मिलेगा नहीं. बट अगर मैं एक सेगमेंट की बात करूं, भी मैंने जैसे बताया, पीपल हु आर डायबिटिक, पीपल हु हैव हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, पीपल हु हैव थायराइड डिसऑर्डर, पीपल हु हैव कोलेस्ट्रॉल इश्यूज, पीपल हु आर ओवरवेट, इनके बारे में वी टेक केयर ऑफ दिस सेगमेंट ऑल्सो. सो यू जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट इज द मार्केट यू कैन कैप्चर. कितना बड़ा मार्केट आपके हाथ में है जो आप कैप्चर कर सकते हैं. अभी तक आपने यही सोचा होगा कि हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सबको मिल सकता है, बट इस सेगमेंट को भी मिल सकता है. आपने मार्केट में ये भी देखा होगा, किसी ने बोला होगा मेरे को तो शुगर की प्रॉब्लम है, मैं इंसुलिन लेता हूं, मेरे को कोई इंश्योरेंस नहीं देता. आई अग्री, मार्केट में कंपनीज इंश्योरेंस इस सेगमेंट के लोगों को देती ही नहीं है, बट रेलिगेयर में मिलता है. वी गिव, वी कवर. ये सबसे बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए. थर्ड सेगमेंट, एक हमारा सेगमेंट है विच इज हार्ट. अगर हम इसकी बात करें, क्रिटिकल सेगमेंट. क्रिटिकल, अगर किसी को कोई हार्ट इश्यू हो चुका है, हार्ट का ट्रीटमेंट हो चुका है, ऑपरेशन हो चुका है, उस सेगमेंट को भी हम लोग हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ऑफर करते हैं. आप सोचिए ये दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सेगमेंट इन द सोसाइटी, ठीक है। अभी एज पर रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी वॉट एवर कोड, आप हमारे पास जो कोड लिए हैं उसके हिसाब से हमको चेक करना पड़ेगा कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट आप प्रमोट कर सकते हैं। तो अभी जो हम प्रोडक्ट की बात करेंगे जो आप एक्चुअली प्रमोट कर सकते हैं वो है केयर। एक हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, प्रोडक्ट का नाम है केयर। और दूसरा सेगमेंट जो मैंने कहा विच इज रिलेटेड टू बीपी और डायबिटीज, मतलब किसी को कोई भी डिसऑर्डर हो, कोई भी हेल्थ इश्यू हो, उनको हम दे सकते हैं केयर फ्रीडम। प्रोडक्ट का नाम ही है फ्रीडम, केयर फ्रीडम। सो आपको याद करने में भी इजी रहेगा। एक सेगमेंट का नाम है केयर, दूसरा सेगमेंट का नाम है केयर फ्रीडम। इज दैट क्लियर? सबको ये समझ में आया? प्लीज से यस।
Guys, respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
No health issues, product, just I think. And for health issues, right?
Indranil ji,
Indrani ji, I think there is some network fluctuation in your
you
place.
can type. You
तो
can
आपकी
type the question. You can
आप टाइप करिए
chat box.
and we will again talk to you. We will definitely talk to you once again. तो थोड़ा वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन हो रहा है, right? I think Mr. Vasant, Uday, Takeshwar, everyone is clear. I am making your life easy. मैं आपकी लाइफ को easy बनाना चाह रहा हूँ because health insurance is a big industry. मैं आपकी लाइफ को easy बनाना चाह रहा हूँ ताकि आपको जब भी आप किसी के पास बैठे, जब भी आप प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बोले, you should have lot of energy, lot of confidence and you can make them understand. आप उनको प्रोडक्ट को इतने simplified मैनर में बता सकते हैं कि उनको एक्चुअली समझ में आए। करेक्ट? इज दैट क्लियर?
Guys, there is a chat box down there instead
Yeah.
of
Exactly, sir.
good. You can chat, do the chatting by saying yes and no. Okay. I have seen Takeshwar and Uday chatting with me, so all of you can do the same thing. Fine.
So अब हम लोग एक सिंपल सा we will discuss about a product which is called as care. So I'll just give you an example. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं। When I am sick, I go to a doctor. I go to some nearest doctor near my house, or I go to my family doctor near my house, or I go to a clinic near my house. When I am sick, I go to a clinic. I show to a doctor. Might be I am having viral. So I go to a doctor. I show him. He gives me medicines. He takes a fees of maybe 200, 300, 500. I pay that amount. I take the prescription. I go to a medical shop. I buy medicines. The cost of medicines might be around 700 rupees. I come back home. I take this medicine for 3 days. If I recover, I am happy. If I don't recover, again I go to my doctor. Doctor, I'm not feeling well. I had medicines for 3 days, but I'm not feeling well. So doctor checks and he says, if you don't mind, please do go and get this test done. The first test what I go and get done is blood test. I go get my test done, and somewhere there is a report which comes, and I show it to my doctor. Doctor says, you have symptoms of dengue. Oh my God, dengue. So your treatment has to be taken place in a hospital. So then I start running, hunting for a hospital, a best hospital, which can be very good, which can be very hygienic. I can get the best out of the best doctors and the best out of the best services. Because I know I will not go to hospital every day, but whenever I go, I will take the best out of best benefits. I will go to a hospital. My duration, estimated duration is for 3 days. I take the treatment for 3 days. I am fit. My symptoms are all out. I have been advised to get discharged on the 4th day. I get discharged on the 4th day. There's a additional prescription or revisit to the doctor given after 1 week. They prescribe me medicines for 1 week. So now I'm out of hospital. I go back home and still I have to consume medicines for 1 week. I have to revisit a doctor after 1 week. And I might have to do again some tests, diagnostics test after 1 week, where I might have some expense of around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. So till now, this journey is clear. Is everyone clear about how I explained when I am sick and till the place when I am fine?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear? Okay, great. So now I will make this example convert into a feature of product. So if I talk about the expenses which I incurred when I was not hospitalized, which was doctor visit charges, test charges, charges which I've incurred for medicine, these all charges are covered in health insurance. The beauty is I'm not hospitalized, but I get hospitalized afterwards. Before getting hospitalized, whatever expenses I have done, if I have those bills, I am covered. This component which is covered is called as pre-hospitalization expenses. So the first thing what we cover in our product is pre-hospitalization expenses. 30 days before hospitalized, if I have incurred some expenses related to the ailment for which I am going to the hospital, it is covered. Now, I go to a hospital, I had expenses for room boarding, tests, doctor charges, nursing charges. Okay, all these expenses I am covered. I was in hospital for 3 days or 4 days. All these hospitalization expenses are covered under IPD, inpatient department, because the minimum duration of hospitalization was 24 hours and more. So all these expenses are also covered in our health insurance. Third, I was fit, I was fine, I was discharged. But after discharge, after coming back to home, again I'm having some expenses. Again I have to go to a doctor. I have to have medicine for 10 days. Right? I have to do again test to actually check whether I'm totally cured or totally out of the symptom I was carrying. All these expenses, the date I am discharged, from that day till next 60 days, whatever medication, whatever doctor visit, whatever test I am getting it done, all these expenses are covered in the component which is called as post hospitalization expenses. So we spoke about pre-hospitalization, we spoke about during hospitalization, and we spoke about post-hospitalization. Right? So these are the things which are covered in the health insurance. So whenever we buy a health insurance, there are some waiting periods. Everything and anything is not covered from day one. Right? So I will get hospitalized due to illness or due to accident or due to any disease. So today, let us take on 21st of June, I buy a health insurance. My risk start date, when I am covered from 22nd of June. From 22nd of June, for a period of 1 year or 2 year or 3 year, whatever the tenure of the policy I take, let us take 1 year. First of all, I am covered day one for any hospitalization which is due to accident. For any hospitalization due to accident, any illness and disease which I have will be covered after 30 days of waiting period. So health insurance, any hospitalization which happens due to any illness and disease is covered after 30 days. Is that clear till now? Is everyone clear on this?
Guys, chat box, please. Let's be interactive in the session, please. Yes, we are getting this chat box, sir. We are getting the answer in chat box.
Great. Now we'll talk about one more waiting period. So we spoke about waiting period which is 30 days. Now we'll talk about waiting period which is for 24 months or 2 years. So there are some specific treatments or there are some specific ailments which comes with a duration of time, or these are some ailments which if I have, I will buy a policy tomorrow. to avoid the risk, to avoid fraud, to avoid so many other conditions, these waiting periods are kept in health insurance. So some of the examples which I will be telling you, what are covered after 24 months or 2 years, these are some ailments which comes with the duration of age also, like cataract, hernia, piles, stone, tumor, hysterectomy, which is nothing but uterus removal, right? These are some of the ailments like ENT disorders. These are some of the specific treatments which are covered after only 24 months. But after 24 months, it is covered lifelong. Till I survive, till I have health insurance, all these things are covered. So first I spoke about day one. Second, I spoke about illness and disease, which is covered after 30 days, means 31st day it is covered. And third, about 24 months. Now, let us take an example. There's a person who wants to buy health insurance and he's under medication. He says, I am having BP and I am taking medicine since 2 years or since 10 years, right? So we also cover that person, as I said. So these people, these sort of disorders can also be covered in health insurance. These disorders will have a waiting period of 24 months or 48 months, depend upon what option we take while buying health insurance. So again, to come back, any accidental hospitalization day one, any illness and disease is covered from 31st day, means 30 days after it is covered. Any specific treatment listed, it is given, is covered after 24 months. Any pre-existing disease, PED, is covered after 24 months or 48 months. So what we were talking about, a product which is called as Care. So this product can also be offered to people who are having slight diabetes or BP. Only these two segments can be offered, right? So we spoke about pre-hospitalization, we spoke about post-hospitalization, we spoke about during hospitalization, we spoke about daycare treatments, we spoke about waiting periods. Now, there is something wow, what a customer feels, wow, this is also there. So this wow factor is when I am having health insurance, I am not using health insurance, but I am covered, I am secured, because I would not love to get hospitalized. So if I am secured, I am fine, I am happy. Mental peace is there. I don't have to shell the money out of my savings account, or I have to sell some property, or I might have to sell something else. I have to sacrifice something else for getting my treatment done. So I have a health insurance. I am not having any intention to take claim, and I am not going to take claim. Maybe I have not taken a claim for some period of time. If I don't take a claim, I get some benefit, which is a wow benefit, which is called as NCB, no claim bonus. If I am not using my health insurance, year on year, my sum insured. Is everyone aware about the word sum insured?
Guys, do you know what is sum insured or cover?
What is the cover I have? Like we were talking about 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Okay, Mr. Bala says no. Okay, cover or sum insured is the amount of coverage which I buy. जब हम health insurance लेते हैं तो मैंने कहा कि मेरी age है 34 years, मेरे को health insurance चाहिए मेरे लिए, मेरी wife के लिए, मेरे kid के लिए. तो हम बोलते हैं, तो मेरे से बंदा पूछता है या आपसे कस्टमर पूछेगा कि कितना सम इंश्योर्ड होना चाहिए, या आप कस्टमर से पूछेंगे how much sum insured do you need? So he will ask what sum insured. So sum insured is the amount of coverage you get when you are hospitalized, or the amount of coverage you get the entire cycle of taking a claim. So let us take an example. किसी ने 5 लाख का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस दिया है. Somebody has bought a health insurance of 5 lakhs. He is hospitalized and his claim is 1.6 lakhs. कोई हॉस्पिटलाइज हुआ, उनका क्लेम था 1,60,000 का. He is covered because उनका सम इंश्योर्ड की लिमिट क्या थी? 5 लाख. करेक्ट? Is that correct? अभी समझ में आया? Is that clear? Could you understand now? Can I see yes or no?
Guys, any doubts, please have in chat box, guys. Bala Subramanian is telling you, can you speak in English?
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
That's why I
Bala,
was
we'll do
repeating
in
both.
English mix. No issues.
Sure, sure. So this is the sum insured part. So whenever we buy a health insurance and if I don't take a claim, I get NCB, no claim bonus, which is nothing but our sum insured. The limit of sum insured I take, it goes on increasing. हमारा sum insured हर साल बढ़ता रहता है at the rate of 10% in one plan and at the rate of 60% in one plan. Example, I buy a health insurance of 5 lakhs. मैंने health insurance खरीदा 5 लाख का. I did not take a claim entire year and I have bought an option which is 150% NCB super. There's an option in health insurance. I take NCB super. So in NCB super हमारा एक ऑप्शन है. जब आप NCB super को टिक करते हैं, जब मैंने पहले साल क्लेम नहीं लिया है, if I have not taken a claim for the first year, I get 60% NCB, 60% bonus. This bonus is given on sum insured. तो मेरा sum insured था 5 लाख, मैंने क्लेम नहीं लिया है. My sum insured was 5 lakhs. I have not taken a claim. I am eligible for 60% bonus. मेरी eligibility 60% bonus की है. तो what is 60% of 5 lakhs? 3 lakhs. Correct?
Right, guys.
So, is that clear? 60%, 60%, 5 लाख का कितना होता है?
Please write in the chat box, guys. Guys, interact. Come on, guys. Uday, please write.
So, I am eligible for 60% bonus. So, next year, when I renew my health insurance, I am eligible for a sum insured of 5 lakhs for which I am actually paying the premium. मतलब मैं actually premium 5 लाख के लिए दे रहा हूँ हर साल, क्योंकि मैंने claim नहीं लिया है, मेरे को 60% bonus मिला. 60% मतलब 3 लाख. अगले साल मेरी limit, my limit next year हॉस्पिटल की हो जाती है 5 + 3 8 लाख. So next year my hospitalization limit becomes 5 + 3 lakh rupees bonus, which is 8 lakhs. So this NCB super if I take, I get in next 6 years, अगर मैं 6 साल तक claim नहीं लेता हूँ, next 6 years I get a bonus of 150%. So अगर मैं 6 साल तक claim नहीं लेता हूँ, मेरे को bonus मिलता है 150% का. 5 lakh is the health insurance. 150% of 5 lakhs is how much? 12.5 lakhs. Amit ji, am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
12.5 lakhs. So मेरा sum insured 5 लाख का अगले 6 साल में हो जाता है 12.5 लाख का. Up to 12.5 lakhs, I can take a claim for me, for my wife, or for my child. Is that clear? अब तक समझ में आया? Can I see yes?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have some doubts.
Tell me, Bala. Tell me.
Yeah. So in the first year, we are assured for to 5 lakhs.
Okay.
After that, we didn't take the amount. We didn't claim.
Claim, okay.
We will go for up to 5 years. So it will we didn't claim for 5 years.
Okay.
Or 10 years. We can take it up as 10 years. So the amount the insurer got will double up, or it will get the amount.
Maximum is 150% only.
Only maximum 150%. After that, you won't take agreement.
No.
Okay.
So if you don't take a claim, your sum insured increases. If you take a claim, let us take, I have taken a claim after 4th year. So 3rd year, I would have got 10% bonus. Next year, my bonus will reduce by 10%. So there is 1 step decrease and 1 step increase. But year on year, maximum limit, what you can get is only 150%. So in 10 years, you would have not taken a claim in 6 years. Your 5 lakhs has become 12.5 lakhs. Again, 7th year or 8th year, you have taken a claim. The 12.5 will be reduced by 10%. So first year you get 60% bonus. Second year you get another 60% bonus, which is 120. Third year 10, fourth year 10, and fifth year 10. So 150% bonus. One more thing, we are the only players in this country which is giving me 150% bonus. This is our right. We started promoting this product. If you go hunt, search in the market, people have started copying our product, or they might be selling something similar to us. We were the first players, we were the inventors who had started giving NCB of 150%. Isn't it a wow factor? I buy health insurance
Yes,
for
sir.
5 lakhs. I'm insured with 12.5 lakh. Wow. Plus, I get a health
Definitely.
checkup. Wow. I get a health checkup every year for me, for my wife. And if I don't claim, I get a bonus for which I'm not actually paying the premium. I'm paying might be the same premium, and my sum insured is increasing. It is a wow factor. You get privilege, right?
Yeah. And will it cover for the whole family? It is.
Yes, yes, it is covered for the whole family. So again, I spoke about pre-hospitalization, I spoke about post-hospitalization, I spoke about daycare, I spoke about during hospitalization, I spoke about NCB, I spoke about sum insured. Now, one of the important factors which I am going to speak, please listen, it is one of the biggest promoters of the product. It is one of the biggest killing instinct of the product, which when you talk to the customer, जब आप customer को बताते हैं, customer feels wow, he feels so happy. So let us take an example. I buy a health insurance on 20th of June 2020. I am covered from 20th June till next year, 19th of June 2021 for a period of 1 year. I have a family of 3 people, husband, wife, and 1 child. And I buy a health insurance of 5 lakhs for total cover. It is called as a family floater. So I buy one single umbrella. In one umbrella, I am covered, my wife is covered, my child is covered. Because there will be very less chances all 3 people will get hospitalized. Does everyone agree with me? Say yes. Everyone might not get hospitalized as one shot.
Yeah, we agree.
So, मैंने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस खरीदा, एक अम्ब्रेला खरीदा 5 लाख का, जिसमें हम सब कवर्ड हैं, मी, माय वाइफ एंड चाइल्ड. Let us take an example. My claim was 3 lakhs due to some accident. There was a claim, मेरा एक claim आया 3 लाख का. मेरी लिमिट है 5 लाख. 3 लाख का claim आया. Right? How much is the balance left in my health insurance? Can anyone tell me? Unmute and tell me. 5 lakhs health insurance, 3 lakh claim. How much is the balance?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Great, great. So the day I take claim, जिस दिन मैं claim लेता हूँ 3 लाख रुपए का, same day Religare Health Insurance, same day Religare Health Insurance will auto recharge. Will, remember the word, will auto recharge. Will auto recharge my health insurance, my umbrella, which was 5 lakhs, out of which 3 lakhs is gone. I have a 2 lakhs cover left. Religare Health Insurance will auto recharge my health insurance policy with a sum insured of 5 lakhs again. Isn't it a wow factor? Religare Health Insurance will auto recharge. It is auto recharge my existing health insurance, which had balance 2 lakhs. जहाँ पे 2 लाख का बैलेंस था, वहाँ पे 5 लाख का ऑटो रिचार्ज हो जाएगा, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. दैट इज हाउ माय प्रोडक्ट इज डिजाइन. दैट इज हाउ हमारे प्रोडक्ट को डिजाइन किया गया है. जब किसी को चाहिए हम तब रहेंगे. whenever a person needs it, we will be there. So we will auto recharge with 5 lakhs. Now mentally I am very fit. I bought a health insurance of 20th of June 2020. In the month of January, I had a claim of 3 lakhs. I still have to wait for 5 months. If I have any other member, my wife or child, getting hospitalized, my claim might come 3 lakhs. But balance was only 2 lakhs. Who will pay 1 lakh? Will I again go and buy health insurance? Will I again put money from my pocket to buy health insurance? No. Religare health insurance, the day you take first claim, it might be 3 lakh or it might be 1 lakh. Religare health insurance will auto recharge my health insurance with the same sum insured, for which I paid the premium. So I bought 5 lakhs. So same 5 lakh will be auto recharged so that my other family members are safe. Now,
If
one
it is
more
exceeding
point.
more than 5 lakhs,
The first claim you're talking about?
if it is exceeding, you are saying about 3 lakhs you are completing. No, I am saying
Yeah.
that
So
if you are completing more than 5 lakhs, if it is first time itself, it crosses more than 5 lakhs. Maybe
yeah.
you can
So
think
if
it like
it
6 lakhs.
yeah. So first of all, my first claim was 6 lakhs. We will pay only 5 lakhs, and then we'll recharge the
Okay.
product. Same ailment we cannot recharge. Now, this auto recharge, very clearly you understand, आप एकदम ध्यान से समझिए, because you are going to talk to a customer. You are like a doctor. You are like an underwriter to us, right? You are the face of the company. So this auto recharge, what is done, which is free of cost, it is a tendency of a product getting recharged. So this 5 lakhs, which is recharged, same person, me, I can use that additional 5 lakhs for any other ailment, not for the same ailment. So if I talk about accident is always a different incident. So I had a liver infection. Same year, again, I need to use auto recharge? No. Same person, same ailment, same year cannot use auto recharge. It is a safety which is given to the entire family so that any other person, if is in trouble, we can give. And same person for us other ailment can also use it. I might have a first claim of liver, but I might have a second claim of an accident, or I might have a second claim of an intestinal infection, or stomach infection, or pneumonia, or dengue, or COVID, right? Is that clear by this point? Yahan tak clear hai? Can you tell me yes?
Yeah,
Or if
yeah.
someone says no, I think
Go
I
ahead, go
think
ahead.
I think I am giving you in a very layman language how health insurance is there, so that you can understand it better. Because when you actually go through the brochure, you will start absorbing the product fast. So as a very simple language telling. So again, I repeat, I spoke about pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization, during hospitalization. I spoke about waiting periods. I spoke about auto recharge. I spoke about NCB, no claim bonus. Now, you are talking to a customer. So he will say, where should I take the treatment? हम treatment कहाँ लेंगे? So person has to take a treatment in a hospital. So any hospital which is tied up with Religare health insurance. In India, if I talk about now, we have around 10,000 hospitals in India. So a person buying a health insurance from Jammu, from Chennai, from Dehradun, from Bangalore, from Bidar, from Telangana, any part of this country, if somebody is having a health insurance, he can take cashless. Cashless means customer doesn't have to pay, because that hospital is in the network of Religare health insurance. Is that clear? That those hospitals under Religare health insurance which are tied up, customer just has to show his policy bond, or he has to show his health card, which is like a credit card, inbuilt credit card of a 5 lakh sum insured. 5 lakhs is inbuilt in the credit card. So he just has to show that card or a policy bond. He gets cashless benefit. Is that clear? What is cashless? It is only in our network hospitals. Is that clear? Can I know yes or no?
And guys, yes, please respond properly, guys. Bala,
Great.
Tikeshwar, Indranil ji.
Yeah, go ahead, Mr.
Yo, okay. Thanks, Vasant.
Yeah.
Next, if I go to a hospital which is not in the network of Religare, so what should we do? If I go to a hospital which is not in the network of Religare health insurance, so I pay the money from my pocket. Might be claim is 50, 80, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. I pay the money to the hospital. I get discharged. And after that, I submit the bills to the company and I get the entire money back to my account.
So is there any like there may be any charges, or there may be a cutting of maybe 5% or 10%?
No.
Anything?
So I will tell you wonderful thing, wonderful question. The charges which you are talking about, cutting and all those, Those charges in health insurance are called as co-payment charges.
Yeah,
So
that's
we
true.
do not have any co-payment charges. We do not have any co-payment charges. But yes, some of the products we have co-payment. I'll tell you which products. So as of now, this product we don't have any co-payment charges. I spend 100 rupees on medical expenses. I get 100 rupees back. Now the beauty,
And this about
customer.
Yeah, please
Tell
go
me,
ahead.
tell me.
Yeah, Vasant, go ahead.
yeah, pre-hospitalization 30 days and post-hospitalization 60 days, no?
Yes.
For claims also.
Yes.
For the both the things, same thing.
Yes. So now customer says, I don't want to go to the office. I don't want to go to Religare, or I am staying in out location where there is no office. He doesn't have to do anything. He has to download a claim form for reimbursement I am talking about, or for pre and post hospitalization. He has to download the claim form. He has to fill the form. He has got a customer app. He can take the photos from his phone, upload the documents, upload the bills, upload the test reports on the app. It goes to our company. Our company settles the claim. Is that clear? Customer can get his claim settled. Yeah, customer can get his claim settled through app. He doesn't have to go to any office of Religare.
Timeline for this one?
Manishji, Vasant is asking for timeline. What is the timeline to get claim settlement?
Timeline is when you are getting hospitalized for a reimbursement, non-network hospital, you just have to tell. You have to just give a call log. You have to just do an intimation to our customer care. That's all.
So is it
after discharge? So within 24 hours you can just intimate, and after discharge, next 7 to 10 days you can submit the bills. See, we don't penalize our customer because we are.
Is it compulsory to give a call to call center and update about admitting?
It is necessary because you get a particular ID number. Against that ID, you upload your documents. If not, see, there might be situations. Somebody is met with an accident. He is serious. You will not think about updating. You can intimate after 7 days also. We are not rigid. We don't penalize our customer for that, because every human being in this society who has come or who has undergone a treatment or coming for a claim is a genuine customer. Is that clear?
Yeah, okay.
So this is yeah.
Indraneelji, please go ahead.
Yeah, how many days it will take to reimburse that claim?
Reimbursement TAT, what we take as 7 days. Based on the nature of claim, it might take time. So I will tell the minimum time we took. We settled a claim on 29th of March during the COVID-19 period. Our minimum time span is 3 days. We have settled a claim in Hyderabad. 3 days.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so I think this is all about the product. This is all about the product, which was a basic product about care. Amitji, should we go ahead with the freedom part? Because I saw some message. You suggest.
Are you okay with another product which is related to this thing? Are you okay? If it is not getting stretched out, please let me know. If you're okay, then we'll continue for just another half an hour.
No, not half an hour. I'll take 10 minutes for that
10 minutes. If it is okay with you, 10 minutes, then we'll continue with other product. Please let me know. Please chat box, please, guys.
Oh, sir, we can go.
Can you complete all the things by 2 o'clock?
Yeah, but yes.
I'll take another 15 minutes.
Yes.
Maximum 15 minutes.
I don't want to spend more on because it's already 2 o'clock, no?
Fine.
1:45.
So I want to know verbally, if you can tell me, is everyone understood what health insurance is about now? I think this meeting has given you a lot of knowledge. Yes or no? Or still you need more? Now, this example, why I wanted to tell you is because you also wouldn't have seen hospital. You also wouldn't have gone to a hospital. You have not been hospitalized. How will you know? You're selling a product, you're promoting a product. which actually makes a customer understand how product has to be used. That is the reason why I wanted to give you a simple example so that you are confident. And I want each one of you to be confident. You are a part of our group, so you should be the best product in the market with the best, whatever someone told about weapons, you should be the best person in the market with the best knowledge. Yeah, no, this is about care. And now I'll talk about care freedom. Freedom. It's very easy to remember our products. The term, the names we have described the product is very easy to understand, very easy to recollect. So there is not much of a difference between care and care freedom, right? Not much of a difference. In care freedom, whom we can offer, whom we can give, किस किस को हम ये care freedom product दे सकते हैं. So we can give it to people who are diabetic now, or people who have sugar. Some market में कई लोग को diabetic के बारे में नहीं मालूम होगा. Some people might tell कि sugar है. So first of all, diabetic में some people take medication, some people take insulin. So these two segments can be offered. Hardly there are companies in this society who give with lot of benefits to a people who are insulin dependent. Third, people who have BP, hypertension, people who have high cholesterol, right? People who have got high BMI, किसी का weight बहुत ज़्यादा है, उनको भी लोग insurance नहीं देते. Companies सोचती हैं, companies think it is a big risk for us. We have a separate segment. We have created segments to distribute our risk, and we can reach more and more families in this society and secure them. We have designed this product in a separate segment so that we can reach more and more people in the society. That's why the product is different for different segments. So if I talk about pre-hospitalization, same, post-hospitalization, same, during hospitalization is same, 30 days waiting period is same, 2 years waiting period is same. Third, pre-ED, pre-existing disease or ailment. Somebody who is diabetic or he is also having BP, both complications he have, we can offer the insurance. Somebody is diabetic, somebody is having BP, plus that person is also having thyroid disorder. That person can also be offered insurance based on some underwriting guidelines. Underwriting guidelines are the doctors who are called as underwriters, who underwrite a proposal, who underwrite a risk of a human being. So these segments can be covered. The waiting period for this pre-existing disease or ailment is only 2 years. It is only 24 months. There might be a human being who is coming to you, his age is 42. He is having sugar, plus he is having BP from last 9 years. He can also be offered insurance. Believe me, it is a wow factor. He can also be offered insurance. Because way back 6-7 years back, no product was available in this country which was actually giving insurance to people who were diabetic on insulin or who were diabetic plus having BP also. So the benefit is this product is care freedom, gives freedom to people who are having ailments which are called as disorders. My dear friends, you should not think when you talk to a customer, if he says, I am having diabetes, I am having blood pressure, hypertension or thyroid, it is not a disease. Technically, we talk it as a pre-existing disease, but these are only disorders in a body. Okay, it is a disorder because at times when you tell customer it is a disease, oh, you have this disease, he might feel bad. So it is a disorder. You will become half doctor when you start promoting our products. It is a disorder. These segments can also be given. The benefit is only 24 months they have to wait. And after 24 months, lifelong, till they survive, till they renew health insurance, they are covered. Plus, there are some treatments. You will be getting a brochure. Some of the treatments which are having a limit. Like if a customer is going for cataract, who has taken a freedom policy, he might get cataract operation per eye 30,000 only. There's a limit of 30,000. He might go to a hospital who might charge 25,000. he might go to hospital who might charge 32,000. So limit is 30,000. For hernia, it is 80,000. For heart related, it is 2.5 to 3 lakhs. Only these are some 4 segments where there is a limitation. Otherwise, all other things what we spoke is 100% same. In this product also, customer gets annual health checkup free of cost. Just imagine, there is a person whose age is 42. There is a person whose age is 42. He is planning to buy a Amit ji?
It's okay, fine. Go ahead.
No, I was muted. So,
Okay.
so there is a person who is 42 years of age. He is having diabetes, plus he is having blood pressure. He is bought a health insurance Care Freedom from us. Age is only 42, which is a big age. Only 42. He is having disorder of diabetes and hypertension or BP. We call it as. He is buying a 5 lakh rupees health insurance. You won't believe, my dear friends, for 5 lakhs is, okay, Goshal, please repeat. Okay, again I'll repeat. There is a person who is 42 years of age. He is planning to buy a health insurance. He is having BP as well as sugar. He is buying Care Freedom because उनको जो हम product दे सकते हैं, the product what we can offer is only Care Freedom. He will be having a premium of only around 9,000 to 10,000 rupees annual premium. Just imagine, my dear friends, person who society was not offering insurance maybe 6-7 years back. Today we have a par. We are giving health insurance to that person with a premium of maximum 10,000 rupees for a 5 lakh cover. 5 lakh cover for a 10,000 rupees premium is a wonderful thing. So just imagine which market you can penetrate. The premium is also priced accordingly so that society can afford. Plus, let us take an example, 42-year person giving 10,000 rupees premium for annual 12 months coverage. He gets an annual health checkup free of cost because Religare is an organization which is known in the country. We give wellness benefit, annual health checkup free of cost to everyone. So he gets a health checkup done free of cost. He pays a premium of 10,000 rupees if he goes to one of the best diagnostic centers also and takes a free health checkup. Nothing less than 4,000 to 5,000 is the cost. Just imagine, effectively, he pays only 5,000 rupees for a sum insured of 5 lakhs. Be known case of diabetes, be known case of blood pressure. So this is what is the market potential you have, my dear friends. Huge market potential you have. Only the thing is you need to penetrate. As Mr. Amit has already told, what are the benefits you get apart from monetary benefit, the power you have, the weapons you have. I remember that word weapon. I'm impressed by that one. Someone told it is like a weapon which safeguards. I love that word. I have learned this thing today from, I don't remember who had spoken, but thanks for telling that word. It's really a catchy word. So it is a weapon. Religare Health Insurance gives a lot of weapons to safeguard yourself, to maximize your income, and to create a royalty income, which no industry on this earth is giving as of now, with an investment of zero. With an investment of zero. So you get an app, which is Favio app. You get an app, which is Favio Plus app, and you get your own, which we get your own website designed from Religare Health Insurance for doing your online marketing through Facebook or Twitter or any other social media. This is over. This is from my side. Thank you, Amit ji. I think I am done. So we will have more sessions so that we can
very much, Manish ji, for taking your time. It was a very good session. Continuously you're talking. We all appreciate that. It's a very big pain to talk continuously without taking a break. Wonderful thing.
So till everyone gets, till hope everyone is convinced they are knowledgeable. After this session, they have loaded with knowledge. That is more important for us.
Guys, concluded today for Head Self. I would like to have everyone's reviews on the WhatsApp group, reviews about training from Manish ji. Please I really appreciate that, what you have understood today. I like to explore more on that. We are already having a WhatsApp group. So please put down your comments, what you have gone through today, and let's start hunting the business. Already we are there to help you around, but yes, this was something product training which I wanted to all of you to go through, and this is something which you have in your your books of in a bag with everything knowledge with you. Now we need to understand how to score the business. Again, we'll meet sometime on that, then we'll start doing that. But in the meanwhile, as told to all of you, start doing prospecting. Let's have a con call for some other time on this particular business proposal also, how to look for the business, prospecting, everything. We'll have a con call on that and try to explain all of people. I am always open to have any kind of discussion with any of your clients. If you're finding it difficult for the first time, please put me in con call. I'll definitely going to help you to close your businesses. Guys, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, and all the best to each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.